it's me, PingDomai22, and today I'm doing a video that's a little bit different, and yeah, you'll find out what it is in a minute, so let's get started. So this year in science, I've been doing life science, and I actually have a huge fear of hearing about any medical stuff. I just flip out, I can't help it, I pass out, I get all I just can't hear it. And this year it's been so hard because I can't just get up and run away out the door. I have to stay in class and deal with it. I don't have a choice about overcoming it. I have to. Today I thought I would share all the stuff that happens when you get sick, like all the process and how you fight it off, because we watched a video on that today and I'm pretty comfortable talking about it, and I think it's really interesting, so I hope you enjoy. So first of all, when you sneeze, you're supposed to cover your mouth, and people are grossed out when you don't, but the truth is when you sneeze, germs are spreading regardless. It's not, even when you don't sneeze, you know how you can blow on the glass of a window and how you see it turns wet? When you breathe, that's going into the air. All of the vapors and germs from you are in the air, so you're getting germs regardless. Now, when you do sneeze, the germs fly at 40 miles per hour and the stuff lands on people, and this is just one way you get it. I mean, if you're in public and you touch your mouth or your nose or your ears or your eyes or something where there's an opening like that, that's another really good way to catch it. So it goes through your nose, I guess. If someone sneezed, you breathe it in, and if the virus gets through your nose down to the throat, doesn't always. If it gets down to the throat, then it'll hijack the cells in your throat, and the healthy cells in your throat, they communicate together, and they kind of they're proteins, and they say, what's going on? And the spikes on the virus impersonate the proteins, the cells, so then they tell the other ones, the healthy ones, and say, go make 10,000 copies of this virus, and then go kill yourself. So basically you're multiplying the virus, which is going to take over, and then you're getting rid of all of the healthy stuff. Now after that, those viruses hijack another cell and basically turn it into a cloning machine and tell them to make bajillions copies of them, and that's how the viruses take over. So next, the few healthy cells that are left, they spray poison to try to destroy the cells, and then the natural killer, that's what my teacher calls it, I'm not sure if that's actually what it's called, but the natural killer, not sure if it's killer, but anyway, patrol the body, and they're going to try to find the immune cells that are assigned to fight off the certain type of virus that are, and until they find it, the natural killer cells are on their own. So let's say you get flu B, they're gonna patrol to find the immune cells that fight off flu B. Next, the macrophages, the white blood cells, eat all of the bad things. They try to eat all of it up, and debris that is not eaten by them, you consume. It goes down your throat and you digest it. And all of that is going on before you even feel that you're sick. Next, these things called interleukins call reinforcements, and those cause the nerves, your body, your joints, your muscles, your bones, all of that, to get sore. And the reason why is because when your body's trying to do this and you're exercising and you're all using all this energy, it needs more energy. You're using so much energy, it wants to make you sore and tired so that you slow down. It's their way of telling you. So next, your temperature raises, and the reason why you sometimes get a headache is because the fever makes the blood cells around your brain swell and can hurt. And next, the dendritic cells grab pieces of the virus and look for the immune cell responsible to kill it. So like I said, those dendritic cells would look for the immune cells responsible for killing flu B, if that's what you got. So next, the T and C cells wait for their call to kill their type, so they'll wait until they're just sitting there chilling until they get the phone call, yeah, come, you're needed to kill flu B. So then they go out and try to kill them. And to find them, the dendritic cells use spikes to seek the right T cell. So they'll like, whichever one they grab onto or sense, that's the right one. And next, the T cells swell and launch into the bloodstream, and in your throat, the T cells invade your throat also. The final battle begins, and that's why you can sometimes you feel a sore throat, because there's all this stuff and all that like gunk you get in your throat that's all like the germs and all like those cells trying to fight it off. And at the end, like after I've been sick for a while, I always get a cough and I'm always like, oh, so annoying, get rid of it, I don't want it. But that's actually a good thing, and you should be happy when you get the cough because that means that the T cells are winning. And they're these little hair like thingies, and they get kind of irritated in your throat when all that action is going on, so then they'll flare up, and the only way to get calm them down is to cough. Then the lymph in your throat recognizes the B cells and they clone. Those are the good cells. They clone, they're going to try to take over because you want to win the battle, not those nasty viruses. Finally, the B cells make antibodies and they target new viruses. Make sure that they'll find anything else that's in your body. Then the viruses are paralyzed by spikes of the antibodies, and next what happens finally is memory cells are made which make you immune, and they patrol your body for the rest of your life so that you are immune to whatever that nasty thing was and you can't get it again. So that's good. And then your new throat cells are made, and that was just a little bit of facts. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And yeah, thanks so much guys for watching, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye!